This is going to be a basic intro on the commonplace tools in the room. The area in which all the tools I will be speaking of will be located in the first and second drawers next to each team table. This is a channel lock, and it is used as an adjustable wrench in which you can loosen or tighten different size nuts at the same time without stopping your work to get a different wrench. And then the safeties for this tool is just not to put your finger into the channel lock and trying to squeeze it. And the way the channel lock can adjust is shown in this demonstration. And this part is how the channel lock adjusts the nut on the screw. The next tool is the dike, and its function is to cut wires or objects that need a little bit more power to cut than scissors. And for safety, you just don't put your fingers through the blades and try to cut your fingers. This demonstration shows how to hold the dike to an opening to closing position, an example of the dike cutting sign. And the next tool to be spoken about is the needle nose pliers. The needle nose pliers are used for assortment of uses such as bending a wire into exquisite shapes. The next tool is the bullnose pliers, which functions as a holding device that you need if your hands aren't strong enough and it doesn't have the mechanics as the other two tools to adjust or shape wire. And for the safeties for all these tools, you just don't put your fingers through the heads and try to squeeze and hurt yourself. The next tools are going to be the three different screwdrivers, which is, from left to right, the Phillips, the flathead, and the starhead screwdriver. And the safety for these is just don't try to poke anyone with the screwdrivers because they can hurt. This is the Phillips screwdriver. This is a demonstration of how the Phillips screwdriver works. And this is the flathead screwdriver. And this is the basic function of the flathead screwdriver in action. And this is the starhead screwdriver. This is a demonstration of how the star screwdriver. And this is the angle finder used to find angles. And for the safety of this tool, just don't throw it at anyone or throw it at yourself because this can hurt. And this is a demonstration about how the needle moves, where to find the angle that you're looking for. And this is an adjustable piece to mark your angle that you found. The next tool is the wire cutter. For the safety of this tool, just don't get your fingers close to the head and keep away from the blade on the edge of the wire strippers. And on the side, you can see the holes that strip the wire and the cutter on the back, and you can use it to cut wire or strip the wire for what you need. And this is a demonstration of me trying to strip the wire.